Welcome to our entrepreneurship vertical. Last semester, we discussed about innovation and entrepreneurship. This semester, the new course, startup formation and scalability. We understand what is innovation, what is entrepreneurship, how it differs from regular business in the last semester. In the entrepreneurship vertical, this semester, how to form a startup and how to make into scalable. The course main objective, understand the fundamental concept of startup formation and scalability. From the innovation, how to start a startup. If it is a started company, how to make it to next scalable level. Analyze the successful startup by using some case study. What are the major key factors? Contribution to their growth. Third main objective, develop skill by ideation for conducting some hackathon, some related innovative skill development program, taking a main skill at the industry, surveying, then product development, market validation. Explore different funding options available to startup. Government of Tamil Nadu and our central government introducing many funding opportunities. We need to understand the funding option. Then examine the strategy for sustainability and scalability for startup operation. These are the main course objectives. Before starting of the course, I need to give the important instruction to the students. Before going to this course, we understand what is innovation, what is idea formation, what is minimum viable product. The first unit covers definition and the characteristics of startups. What is the overall startup ecosystem at global, national and regional level? What are the key players in the startup ecosystem in the incubator, investors, higher education institute, innovators, government, mentors, society? What are the trends and challenges in startup formation? Generating startup idea from problem identification, market research, brainstorming techniques, lean startup methodology, minimum viable product approach, then prototyping and validate the ideas. These are the major part of our unit 1. First, what is the definition of startup? Startup is a young company. It starts from idea. Last semester we studied what is technology readiness level. From the technology readiness level, we are starting from TRL0 to TRL10. If you reach the TRL10, we understand it's enterprises. The starting stage of the company, we assume from TRL7, we can say that is a startup. Startup means young company, beginning to develop, usually a small, initially finance. The finance maybe we call seed funding. In our semester first unit, global level we are discussing for this startup. In our state level, Tamil Nadu government, EDA Tamil Nadu introducing a small funding. The funding in terms of schemes like Innovation Voucher Program A and the Innovation Voucher Program B. For initial startup, they are giving 2 lakhs for IVP A. If it is in the prototype level, we are going for product development. For that, they are giving 5 lakhs rupees as a grant. Already we studied what is grant, what is loan, but here completely grant. So initially finance we call seed funding operated by handful of founders or individuals. The startup company may be started by a single man or with 2 plus more number. These companies offer a product or service that is not currently being offered elsewhere in the market. This is a major difference between regular enterprises business. In the startup, this is a new innovative idea. It's not available in the market. That is a major difference. So please understand, young company just beginning to develop a startup are usually small and initially small seed funding. This company offers a product or service is now currently being offered elsewhere, not in the market. This is offered in the small manner. This is the important definition for startup. You understand what is a startup, what is a business, what is the full-fledged enterprises. The equation of startup, if it is a newness, is very, very important. The idea, the new idea, we need to start a new business. Now, key elements, what are the involved? New business, which is accompanied with the innovation, with the new technology from the startup, the idea, innovator, patient. So, startup almost equalized with new business, in addition with the innovation, in addition with the technology, in addition with the patient. The combination of this we call new startup. So innovation is very, very important. The origin of innovation starts from problem, where we want to identify the problem. Problem from the social side, problem from the industry, or regular day-to-day life problem. Identify a problem, then from that problem, we want to include the technology with the fullest patient, we can form a startup. This we call startup equation. So what are the key elements of startup equation? New business, innovation, technology, patient, combined together we call it new startup. So suitable example for the startup, the taxi service. Everyone understand Ola and Uber. So what is the problem here? The customer are waiting somewhere. The taxi is running one part to another part. Sometimes customer may be inside. Without customer also they are running. From that problem statement, they are giving a solution. That higher margin company, Ola and Uber. Students, you also identify a suitable problem in the regular day-to-day or in the industry. Another one suitable example, Blinkit. Distribution of grocery shopping. You understand? Similar to our Ola and Uber. Another one, important, high margin startup company. Then the food item, new startup company, Zomato, Swiggy, everyone will know startup. These are the suitable examples for startup. Some immediate example for your startup. Now, students are able to identify what is startup. In the startup, we identify a new idea. In that idea, we need to increase some component like quality as well as cost. Increasing the quality, lower the cost. This also including the innovation side. Students, community, with the regular technology-based subject, we identify suitable problem in the college level. That's why Government of Tamil Nadu, Government of India introducing a course like entrepreneurship development. Our institution introducing separate minus course for vertical in the name of entrepreneurship development. In the entrepreneurship development, we are running now third course, startup formation and scalability. In this unit, we are going to cover the startup out the globally involved. In our Tamil Nadu, at present DPIIT registration more than 10,000. That is 4 times higher than previous year 2021. Based on that, our institutions like higher education institutions involving more importance, giving more importance towards startup formation and scalability. Our Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Entrepreneur Promotion Incubation Center, supporting the students in terms of education, training, pre-incubation and incubation to develop more startup formation and scalability. Thank you. With this, we will conclude the first unit, first topic. Next video lecture will continue. Thank you once again.